A face mask controlled by your iPhone? This high-tech skincare gadget promises next-level results. But does it actually work, or is it just a gimmick? Today, I'm putting the PlaySkin face mask to the ultimate test. Let's see if it's worth the hype. We've all seen sheet masks. We've all tried mud masks. But have you ever encountered a face mask controlled by your iPhone? That's where PlaySkin comes in. This isn't your average skincare gadget. It's a futuristic device promising to revolutionize our routines. Developed by the Italian company Baldin Group, PlaySkin is already making waves in the UK and Italy. PlaySkin's biggest claim is its ability to boost skin hydration by a whopping 115%. This impressive figure comes from a study conducted on 20 individuals at the University of Ferrara's Cosmetology Center. Imagine a simple 10-minute treatment potentially leading to incredibly hydrated and plump skin. It's a bold claim, but one that has certainly piqued the interest of skincare enthusiasts worldwide. The science behind PlaySkin lies in microcurrent technology. This technology uses low-level electrical currents to stimulate facial muscles, promoting collagen production and increasing product absorption. While microcurrent therapy isn't new, PlaySkin's approach is unique. By combining it with a smartphone app, it allows for a personalized and controlled treatment experience. Unboxing the PlaySkin mask feels like stepping into the future. Inside the sleek packaging, you'll find the mask itself, a tube of specially formulated cream and electrode connectors. The mask is made from a soft, flexible material that feels comfortable against the skin. The electrode connectors are clearly marked, making it easy to attach them to the mask correctly. Before you begin, you'll need to download the PlaySkin app. The app is user-friendly and guides you through the entire process. Once you've downloaded the app and charged the mask, you're ready to start. The app recommends cleansing your face thoroughly and tying back your hair to ensure the mask fits snugly. Applying the PlaySkin mask is a breeze. Simply apply a thin layer of the provided cream to your face, avoiding the eye area. Then, connect the electrodes to the mask and gently place it onto your face. The mask adheres comfortably to your skin, and you'll feel a slight magnetic pull as the electrodes connect. Once the mask is securely in place, it's time to connect it to your phone. Plug the mask into your phone's charging port, and you're ready to begin your treatment. The PlaySkin app allows you to choose from various treatment options, each targeting different skin concerns. Whether you're looking to reduce wrinkles, improve skin tone, or simply boost hydration, there's a setting for you. As the treatment begins, you'll feel a gentle buzzing sensation. This is the microcurrent technology working its magic. The sensation is not painful. In fact, many users find it to be quite relaxing. Some describe it as a tingling or prickling feeling, while others compare it to a gentle massage. The 10-minute treatment flies by. As you relax and let the mask do its work, you can browse through the PlaySkin app. The app provides helpful information on skincare, microcurrent therapy, and even offers personalized product recommendations. After the 10 minutes are up, the app will notify you, and you can remove the mask. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly soft and hydrated your skin feels. The PlaySkin cream, combined with the microcurrent technology, leaves your complexion feeling plump, dewy, and rejuvenated. But does it live up to the hype? Honestly, the results are impressive. My skin looked visibly brighter and felt incredibly soft. While I can't personally attest to the 115% hydration increase, I can confidently say that my skin felt significantly more hydrated than usual. The PlaySkin mask is undeniably an investment. However, compared to the cost of regular facials or other high-end skincare devices, it's a worthwhile consideration. If you're looking for a way to elevate your skincare routine and experience the benefits of microcurrent technology at home, the PlaySkin mask is worth exploring. If you love testing crazy beauty tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Glowenvy glow-ups. See you in the next one.